Welcome to Amazing News. I am your anchor, Xavier.
And I'm your co-anchor, Brendan.
Now, what is that?
Paper.
And why are you eating it?
I bought the watermelon flavor.
There's not such a thing as watermelon flavored paper.
Okay, you got me.
Anyways, Subway and McDonald's. Tell them about it, Brendan.
Well, there are more Subways than McDonald's now. Whatever happened to an American cheeseburger?
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Yeah, Subway rules.
No, cheeseburgers from McDonald's rule.
Sandwiches are way better and sophisticated.
Eat a Big Mac.
Team Subway.
Team McDonald's.
Okay, Team Subway and Team McDonald's. Anyways, now that we got that out of the way, sports.
I really have nothing to say.
In Japan, huge earthquake strikes, huge magnitude.
Holy Pop-Tart.
What's that? You know what else has a huge magnitude? Weather.
Well, there's this stuff, and I haven't seen it for billions of ages. I think it's called grease.
It's called grass, and it's only been like 4 months. And plus, billions of ages? That's not even accurate in like any way.
Grease is really rare in northern Illinois.
Yeah, sure. Whatever, man. Now, games of the week is Grand Theft Auto San Andreas.
Those were your games of the week.
The shout out of the week is Sub Roulette.
Yay!
So that you are our second subscriber. Yes.
So, is it Subway or McDonald's? Tell us in the comments.
Subway.
McDonald's.